Hello friends, welcome to Bhuvanasekhars kitchen. Today I am going to this recipe, so let's get started. Here I have taken 2 ripe bananas and peel it off. If you see any damaged area, then you can remove that. After peeling the skin, chop into pieces and transfer it to a bowl. Here, instead of sugar, I am using honey. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Milk 1.5 cup. Here I am using full cream milk. If you don't have, then you can use normal ones. Mix it up and then blend it well. Blend it until the banana pieces are mashed well. Transfer the juice into glasses. On top of that, I am adding chopped cashews, and to other I am adding a little bit of Horlicks. That's it friends. Banana juice is ready to serve. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.